here, and in today's video, we are in Elk Grove Village, Illinois, in the Cook County to record this amazing epic siren called the ACA P-50. Or if you want to go with the ASC version, it's called the T135 AC. So, what makes this siren so special? Well, first off, we're like a couple feet away, so it's going to be super loud once this one goes off. And there's a banshee near the mobile gas station, so maybe you'll get a chance to hear that as well. I could record the ambience, but I don't know if the banshee's going to sound off or what. But yeah, this is the ACA P-50. It's my first time hearing a P-50 go off. What makes the siren special? Oh yeah, back to topic. Sorry it's windy, it just rained a couple hours ago, so it's only 70 degrees outside. But we're getting off topic. What makes the siren special? Well, it's the third place loudest siren here in the whole world. Then comes the Big Bertha, which is second place, and then the Chrysler Air Raid sirens. The P-50 is third place, while it's second place for being the largest siren in the world by fitting a full-size human in there.
What is the largest siren?
I don't know, probably like a Chrysler. I don't know.
What is it?
Probably like a Chrysler Air Raid siren back then.
Chrysler?
Yeah, I don't know if Chrysler makes sirens or I don't know. That doesn't matter. But yeah, the Elk Grove Village P-50. I can't believe it. I did tell you guys that it's the second largest siren and the third loudest siren, topping at 135 decibels when you're 100 feet away. And I feel like 100 feet away, but like I don't know, man. But whew, the funny thing is, I'm not even wearing hearing protection. Like, what? I'm recording this without hearing protection. Don't worry, your big boy's gonna be brave. It's what princes do. They be brave. And yeah. So when it's 9:59 a.m., sometimes it sounds off early, sometimes it doesn't. I know the Apple River EOWS 1212 that we went to was 1 minute early. Let's see if this one's earlier. But this is the monthly siren test of August 6th, 2024. This is the Elk Grove Village P-50. Now, I'm going to pick this back up at like 9:59-ish a.m. and I'll let you guys know if the siren goes off. And I'll do my presentation, and boom, there you got it. Maybe I can capture the banshee going off as well. You'll never know. Alright, thanks for watching. There is more. Well, I'll pick this back up. This is only just the beginning. Don't worry, this siren's gonna sound off. Alright, see you guys later. Alright guys, it's 9:58 a.m. in the morning. And we'll never know if it's gonna be a partial alert or a full alert. But I know it's gonna be either one of those. And without further ado, may I present you guys the Elk Grove Village P-50. Now, it may take some time to go off. We'll never know. Every siren's supposed to go off at 10. Hey, Jiron. Jiron, can I have your phone back, please? Ooh, it's almost 9:59. Okay, guys, let's figure out together, alright? We only have a couple seconds before this siren goes off.
9:59.
Yep, 9:59, guys. When it's 10 o'clock, that siren will go off.
Hold up, please.
Now, I am scared because I never experienced a P-50 for real life. So, my first time, alright, guys? Let's experience this together, alright? Hey, John, hold on to this. Okay. Here we go. 9:59 a.m. Almost 10. My heart's beating so fast.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
Oh. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What? Huh? It's 10 a.m.
Yeah.
Bro, you said 10 a.m. Correct. Yeah, guys, it's 10 a.m.
Yeah, that's what Georgian said. You supposed to siren now.
Oh, here we go. Yo, that's so loud. I actually had to cover my ears for this one. Not the Thunderbolt, but the P-50 this time. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can capture some ambience of the Banshee. After this is winding down, of course. Well, that's a 1-minute alert for the Elk Grove Village P-50. Bravo. I'm not wearing any hearing protection. My ears survived that. I could hear the Lombard Thunderbolts. You guys hear it? Or am I just the only one? Well, that's it for the P-50. Thank you so much for watching. We're only just like a couple feet away from the Siren. I don't know how many, but I'm guessing like 95 feet away. I don't know. But if you guys could please hit that like button, maybe subscribe, share, copy link, hit that bell for notifications, and comment something nice, we'd be highly grateful. If it wasn't without you guys, we wouldn't have having to record this Siren today. I can't believe it. It's just amazing seeing this Siren in person and watching it go off for real life. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have really made my dreams come true. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. More Sirens are to come.